Hey team, today we're going over the first half of Chuck Form 1 Kata. This is part of our advanced curriculum, one of our advanced katas for our brown and red belts. This curriculum rotation, we are currently working on this kata, April to June 2026. Be sure to practice at home and work a lot of the details of the kata. I will show you slow, facing the camera and facing different directions, and then I'll perform it facing the camera and facing the opposite way. As a reminder, this is my left side, my right side. It's the opposite as you're watching on the video. First, one of the main skills you want with the nunchucks is chambering the chucks. If you have not seen the foundational nunchuck skills video, be sure to watch that one. We go over a lot of basic nunchuck skills and spins in that video, which is kind of the base, the foundation for this kata. Chambering the chucks, you'll always start there. You're gonna get them chambered from here. As a reminder, you want to hold them up here toward the top, an inch or two of space at the top instead of down here. I'm circling back one time, going up to my shoulders. Forwards one time, and catching. As you catch, remember, we don't want much space between your hands and your armpits. I don't want to do this and bring them in to my armpits, bring my hands in here, then I can't catch them. I go up, circle back up one time, circle forwards one time, and I'm going to catch in my armpits here. You're going to say Kata, Chuck Form 1. Bow, all with them chambered. I'm stepping with the right leg. We're doing a figure 8. You're going to start on the outside of your arm. So the right side of my arm over here, I'm starting on that side. Swinging once, twice, 3 times, and I'm going down to my leg. So full pace with that. Kata, Chuck Form 1. I bow, I'm stepping with the right. Swinging to my right side first, the outside of my hand. 1, 2, 3, I go down to my leg, right to the middle of your thigh. You're wrapping the chuck around there. You're not hitting yourself here, but you're wrapping it around your leg. Circle back one time to your shoulder. And here you're hitting your upper back. You're not hitting your shoulder. You're hitting your upper back with the chuck. Going forwards and then catching. That last part, just like chambering the chucks. Back and up, forwards and catch. Same thing on the opposite side now. I'm stepping with the left. I'm just going to adjust for the camera view. Step in with my left leg, crescent step forward in a hard bow. I also want to make sure, whichever side it is, any point in the kata with a hard bow, I'm here with my legs wide, far apart this way, as opposed to here in line. Then it's very hard to hit my leg and go down with the chuck. I also want to make sure as I go down either side, I'm not going to a horse stance and then coming back up. So I step with that left side, swinging to the outside of my arm, now on my left side over here. 1, 2, 3, down. Circling back up to my shoulder, forwards and catch. Quick tip, when the chucks are going up, so you're going up from your armpit or from your leg, you want to swing them backwards. The chuck naturally goes up when you swing it backwards and vice versa. When you're going down to your leg, down to your armpits. You want to swing forwards away from you here because it naturally goes down to the ground. So that first part so far, I chamber the chucks, back and up, forwards and I catch. Kata, Chuck Form 1. I bow, stepping with the right leg and do an open hard bow. 1, 2, 3, figure 8 and down to my leg, wrapping it around my leg, circling back up to my shoulder, forwards and I catch. Left leg steps, crescent step forward, left side, figure 8, 1, 2, 3, and down to my leg, forwards and up, backwards and up, forwards and I catch. So going backwards, up to my shoulder, forwards and I catch. I'm going to crescent step to my left over here. Left leg's going to move. I'm just turning, pivoting my right leg. Left leg moves to my foot and back. Hard bow this way. A lot of hard bows in the kata. I'm turning this way. Right hand swings. I'm just swinging. There's no circle. There's no spin. I just swing to my left here. Now I'm going to circle back to my waist on my right side. So that spin there, it's parallel with the ground this way, like I'm spinning it here. I'm bringing it from my left side to my right. After the first swing, I circle it one time, I go back to my right. Circling back and up to my shoulder, forwards, and I catch. From here, back leg front kick, I'm playing into a wide, hard bow. I'm going to circle backwards one time, up to my shoulders. I'm going forwards, down to my legs, backwards one time, up, forwards, and I catch. So one more time, my shoulders, legs, shoulders, armpits. Backwards and up, forwards and down, backwards and up, forwards, and I catch. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Right leg steps, crescent step to my foot, back to this side, to my right. Left hand starts, same thing I did on that side, on this side now. Left hand starts, I'm going across, circle back, parallel with the ground, to my waist here, circle back one time and up, forwards, and I catch. Left leg front kick, again, same thing as that other side. This part is the exact same because you're using both chucks. I'm circling backwards and up, forwards and down, backwards and up, forwards, and I catch. That is the first half of the kata. I will perform up to there, facing the camera, and then I'll do it facing the opposite way as well. Always start in chamber in the chucks, right in your armpits. Kata, chuck form 1. Chia, chia, 2, aya. Chia, chia, 2, aisa. Chia, chia, 2, aya. Chia, 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 2, aisa. Chia, chia, 2, aya. Chia, 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 2, aisa. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section or ask us during class. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the mats.